How to use Databox Analytics Dashboard properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Databox is designed to give marketers and business teams a real-time view of performance, but beginners often misuse it, leading to wasted time and unclear insights. You won't believe how often people overlook simple features. The first mistake is connecting too many data sources without prioritizing metrics. Databox integrates with dozens of platforms, but beginners try to track everything at once. This creates noisy dashboards. Start with the most critical KPIs, like website traffic, lead conversions or revenue, and expand gradually. Another common error is poorly organized dashboards. Without grouping metrics logically or using visual hierarchies, dashboards become confusing. Use cards, sections, and consistent colors to make data easier to read at a glance. For example, put marketing metrics in one section and sales metrics in another. A third mistake is ignoring goal tracking. Databox allows you to set targets for each TP, but many users fail to use this feature. Tracking goals visually shows performance trends and highlights where action is needed. For instance, seeing a lead generation goal at 60% completion helps your team act before month end. Beginners also often neglect alerts. Databox can notify you when metrics hit thresholds, but many rely solely on dashboards. Setting automated alerts ensures you catch critical changes in real time, like a sudden drop in traffic or conversions. Finally, skipping regular reviews is a costly mistake. Dashboards are only useful if interpreted and acted upon. Schedule weekly reviews with your team, discuss trends, and update dashboards to reflect changing priorities. To get the most from Databox, focus on essential KPIs, design clear dashboards, track goals, set alerts, and review performance regularly. By avoiding these mistakes, Databox becomes more than a reporting tool. It becomes your command center for smarter, faster decision making.